Step 1. Reach the earnings threshold. Google will send you a PIN once your AdSense earnings reach $10 or its equivalent. Make sure your account balance meets this requirement. Step 2. Update your address. Ensure your payment address is accurate and matches your location in the UAE. 1. Log in to your Google AdSense account. 2. Go to Payments Settings. 3. Confirm or update your address under Name and Address. Use your full postal address, including building, villa name, area, community, city, PO box, if applicable, Emirate, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, etc. Note: in UAE address, PO box is not there for individual, it's only for company address. So you need to mention your address with near location of your place, but they usually deliver the parcel in Emirates Post and they will charge 20 AED duty for that. Step 3. Wait for the PIN to be sent. Google will mail the PIN to your registered address. It typically takes 2 to 4 weeks, but it may take longer depending on postal service efficiency in your area. Step 4. Verify your PIN. Once you receive the PIN, 1. Log in to your Google AdSense account. 2. Click Verify Address in the home screen notification. 3. Enter the PIN exactly as provided in the letter. Submit to complete the verification. What to do if the PIN doesn't arrive? If you haven't received the PIN after 4 weeks, you can 1. Request a replacement. PIN. Go to Payments, Verify Address, click Resend PIN. Google allows up to 3 PIN requests. 2. Use manual verification. After 3 failed attempts, you'll get the option to submit documents like your Emirates ID or utility bill to verify your address. Pro tips for UAE users. 1 point PO box usage. If you're using a PO box, ensure it's active and regularly checked too. Courier services. Unfortunately, AdSense pins are sent via standard mail, not courier services. 3. Contact Emirates. Post. If there are delays, visit your local Emirates post office to inquire about pending international mail. Stay ahead, learn more, subscribe now.